Hello and welcome back. I am Philip, and yes, I am still alive. I just haven't uploaded in a while as I was quite burnt out and had spent quite a while on a prototype of a multiplayer game I'll be showcasing today. The game is called Within Our Ranks, and it is basically a recreation of Among Us, but in 3D and with spatial voice chat. I am working on distancing the game a bit from the original, but for now it's just that. There should be some footage of the game on the screen right now, and as you might be also able to tell, the game looks pretty bad. From the standard Unity UI to the bad looking environment lighting, it generally isn't just a good looking thing. And the astronaut, while it being probably the best looking game in that video, is from the asset store. That of course is a huge problem, and also the reason why I'm making this devlog, gamelog, update kinda video thing. Up until now I had been using the standard European renderer, which basically aims towards games that can run on potato PCs and make games look stylized, which my game is obviously not, as I want to make a more sci-fi realistic game. That I will be migrating this project to the Unity HDRP renderer. What's HDRP, you ask? Well, it's quite a lot, but generally one could say it's a rendering engine that aims to recreate real-life lighting and environments, which is pretty cool and makes stuff look awesome. And just to show the difference, I've already made two scene models in HDRP, a reactor which I modeled in Blender and then add my own VFX graph to, which really works with the fog around it and it looks awesome in my opinion, and a holographic table which I also modeled in Blender and added the holographic map VFX graph to, which makes for a really sci-fi looking object. And just looking at both game assets and game scenes in comparison, it should hopefully make sense as to why I am migrating the project. By the way, the original prototype will be available to download and try out using the itch.io link in the description. Just know that it probably has a lot of bugs in the game, but however it does work, and the multiplayer it works. So if you just want to try it out, go for it. The progress of migration of the project does, however, take quite a lot of work and time, as I basically have to recreate the entire project in a new renderer, which, although I can copy the scripts and some other stuff, is a lot of work. All of this progress is then something I will try to document through more smallish devlogs like this one. Oh, and by the way, if you have any ideas for tasks, it would help a lot, as I'm running out of ideas myself. I am trying to stay as original as I can be, and already have a total of 7 different tasks, such as quick math, where you basically have 3 math problems that you have to solve in about 10 seconds. Higher lower, where you then have to guess a number, that if it's like higher or lower, but you don't see the number. Download game, it's basically try to recreate a web browser where you have to download a sketchy version of Minekraft from an online website. Cookie clicker, you have to just click a cookie 100 times. This one I'm not too sure of, but it's quite bland, but yeah, for now I'm gonna leave it in. Aim trainer, it's a game where you have to then click on these circles that get bigger over time and then just vanish. Adjust the temperature, this one is from Among Us and I will probably remove in the future, but yeah, for now it's just staying. And click me, which it's just a button you have to click, so it's just a quick and easy task to do. As you can tell, more tasks would be beneficial for the game, so please leave any ideas in the comments. And I think this should wrap up this devlog kind of video. So see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Renderer. Why is that word so hard?